Good morning parents, welcome to KG Weekly Update. Early education allows children to acquire vital skills, allowing them to listen to others and share their own ideas. Children can make friends, learn to share, cooperate and become accountable for their actions, all within a safe and comfortable environment. It is natural for them to use all their abilities to learn. Children are learning about themselves, other people and the world around them and playing an active role in their own learning and development. In kindergarten, children learn through playway method. This develops their skills. Different hands-on activities makes them perfect. KG 1D children presented assembly on importance of play. Through skit, they explained how play helps them to learn different concepts. Whereas to understand the importance of time, our KG 2A children presented informative assembly on value of time. They gave beautiful message through skit. The main objective was to make children understand that they need to plan and follow the routine and everything has its own time. Time to get up, sleep, eat, play, do homework. Hence, value the time you have and enjoy the beautiful moments in life. Now, let's see what children have done in academics for the week.
In literacy, we went for a book walk with Rosie the hen. Around the pond, over the haystack, through the fence, under the beehives. I learned positional words very well. In phonics, we revised the letters ch, w, ch. In numeracy, we learned number 10. We revised all real numbers and we made lemonade. In UW, we learned about living things and non-living things. We sorted the objects and the craft activity. We also differentiated between living things and non-living things. In phonics, we did the recap of the rhyming words and the sight words. We also practiced writing sentences with digraph words and sight words. In literacy, students use their imagination to think and write a new end for the story The Gingerbread Man. In numeracy, this week we learned to create our own word problems. For example, I have a pencil. My teacher gave me 2 more pencils. How many pencils in total do I have? We also learned vertical addition and we wrote number name 9 in the notebook. In UOW, we completed the topic of materials. We learnt about objects made up with different materials like wood, paper and plastic. We identified the properties of materials that are transparent, translucent and opaque, and also understood about waterproof and water absorbent materials.
It is pleasure to see children enjoy coming back on school campus. They enjoy playing in outdoor area, enjoy talking to their friends and working within the group. They enjoy all the activities planned by teachers. They share their ideas and lot of peer learning is happening. This develops their self-esteem and make children an independent learner. Children are set in their routine. Now they independently go to the classes carrying their bag and you can see how confidently they walk in the school campus. As Robert Fulghum says, kindergarten children are confident in spirit, infinite in resources and eager to learn. Everything is possible. With that, I come to an end of this week's video log. See you parents next week. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.